In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on WhatsApp Web, a full guide for 2025. If you've ever found your WhatsApp web interface a little too zoomed in and wanted to minimize the view for a broader perspective, stay tuned. We'll go through some straightforward steps and also share a few helpful tips to give you a seamless experience on both Windows and Mac systems. Let's begin by navigating to WhatsApp Web. To do this, open your preferred internet browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. You'll be directed to the WhatsApp web homepage. If you aren't logged in, follow the instructions and use your mobile device to scan the QR code, which will sync your messages across the web platform. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window if you're using Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Here you'll see three vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will open a menu of options that give you access to a variety of browser settings, including what we're focusing on today, Zoom. Within this menu, you should be able to locate the Zoom section. It's typically displayed with a current percentage value such as 100%. This indicates the current zoom level of the page you're on. To initiate the zooming out process, look for the minus button, often positioned next to the current zoom percentage. Clicking this minus button will reduce the zoom level, allowing more content to fit comfortably within your screen view. You can continue pressing this button until you reach the desired level of zoom. Aside from using the browser's interface to zoom out, you can also utilize keyboard shortcuts for an even quicker adjustment. For Windows and Linux users, you can zoom out by holding down the Control key and pressing the minus key. Similarly, if you wish to zoom in later or reset your view entirely, you can use Ctrl+ for zooming in and Ctrl+ to reset to the default zoom level. For those of you on a Mac, the process is slightly different but equally simple. You'll hold down the Command key and press the minus key to zoom out. Should you wish to reverse this action and zoom in, or if you just want to reset the zoom to its original state, use Command+ to zoom in and Command 0 to reset to default. And there you have it. Now you know how to adjust the zoom levels on WhatsApp Web using both the browser menu and keyboard shortcuts. This flexibility makes sure you can customize your viewing experience to your specific preference, improving your ease of use. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.